Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everybody is fine. I didn't sleep as usual. I don't know what to do. Na fara bacci a rayuwana na duniyan nan. Ba na yin bacci. It's ridiculous. Anyway, today is not about sleep. I wanted to talk to you about, actually introduce you to a hair product called Anavrin. My friend Zainab Yakase is their brand ambassador. So she sent me a box like 2 months ago, actually, before I even traveled. She said I should try, because I'm always saying, oh, my hair is breaking. I like to use the aloe vera thing. The aloe vera really helped me to stop my hair from breaking. So the aloe vera just stops the hair from breaking, but I needed some moisture in my hair, like something that would make my hair to always be, my hair is really strong. It's like kashin doki. So I was just talking to her about it, and I know she's the hair guru. So she recommended some of their products. She recommended this. There's the aloe oil and the henna oil and the chebi butter. These things really, like, they did miracle. In less than a month, I'm telling you, my hair grew like this long from here to here. Like, it's a number to do its own. So let me use this from here to here. My fingers are really short, so I'm not gonna do justice. Let's say from here to here to here, without any lie. Like, it grew like this inch in 2 months, and this is the best thing that had happened to me 2021. This massager is amazing. Like, for me, it really helps me, like, melts the oil deep down. Like, it takes it down to the roots of the hair, so, and then it vibrates. I really like if you want me to sleep, just give me like a head massage. So this is like an invention. They should name it mini Leila massager. Zainab, dalaki gamus saka sunana agora. So make sure you order this comb as well. I like it. It's really nice for those who really like to take care of their hair, or like to grow their hair, or just make their hair like healthy. I mean, don't go and have one expectation that you're going to have Hema Mali's kind of hair. No, but your hair is going to be so healthy, very full, and the texture will change. It's not going to be the strong thing again that I'm kidishi. So kusa ina son ina kaunar ku cikin zuciya na, da abin da mun kyau dole in gaya muku. So I'm going to put their page under this. You should check them out and try, even if it's 1 month trial. I assure you, it's money well spent. Like, in be muku ba, ku tuntubi Zainab za ta biya kudin ku ba. So you guys should take care of yourself. For those who have lovers, enjoy Valentine's Day. For those who don't, welcome to the club. We don't die. We'll see ya. Bye.